Alright, this is Joe back again. We got a little package from DSX Tuning. This is the DSX Tuning lid. I've seen a few videos on it. It's one of the, not the best, but it's one of the best bang for buck lids that you can get. I'm just getting a knife here so I can crack it open. Yeah, so I don't know what that is, but yeah, we got that. I think that's the standoff, maybe. Pause this real quick and I'll get back to you. There you guys have it. This is great packaging by DSX, by the way. The gasket, it looks like it's already installed. So I would assume that thing on the other end, that's the standoff or whatever. So we're gonna get you guys some old clips of we're gonna shoot some clips with the supercharger I have on it now. It's just the regular LT4 lid. Then I took out the silencer plate. I have the silencer plate over here somewhere, but yeah. So we're gonna be switching over to this because the other day I seen it was like heat soaking. So I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do like a 174 thermostat video. I don't know if it'll make it in time for this video or maybe a next video, but we'll see. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next part. Yeah, we about to put that lid on, but this car is super hot. I was driving it very hard, so it has to cool down. It might take a little while, but we got the DSX lid in the back. I'm about to get that, all the tools and everything. Got this Hellcat. This joint is nice. Shout out my boy Hemi Lifestyle. Got DSX tuning lid. Right here. Come with the standoff. Alright. Got the lid. Pop that open. Nice. Yeah. Got this and whatever. This is supposed to be the standoff. I don't know. They don't give you no instructions, so we gonna figure it out though. It's pretty smart. So I'll get to with y'all when we putting it on. We got all the tools here. I think I got enough clips with it before, so yeah, I'm gonna plug those clips in here, and then we're gonna get some more clips after. We don't really have any like flyby clips of the old supercharger lid, but actually I think I do. Maybe I do, but we'll get some with the new lid, I'm sure. This new lid looks pretty good. I like it. Seen all the videos on YouTube with Corvettes on them, and I haven't seen too many Camaro ones, but it's the same platform, so I'm pretty sure they sound all the same. But yeah, we're gonna get this in there and show you guys the process.
You motherfuckers gonna pick me up.
All right, about to get started, y'all. All right. Oh, that's the wrong way. I'm over here tightening this shit. Get ready. Get this bad boy and put that on top. All right. Wait a minute, no. Yeah, these should be tight. Appreciate it. Move this out of the way. Alright. Appreciate you.
You already, buddy.
You know, every time I do this, I keep it. Oh, there you go. So there's one here. Alright.
Oh, yeah, that black piece, right?
Mm-hmm. There's one everywhere. That one just came off. Holy shit. Holy. That bitch hot as fuck, nigga. Oh my God. bad. My bad, Brody.
Come on this side now.
No, I'm just trying to lift this shit up.
Okay.
That's the last one?
No, I got one more.
Get that one for me. Yeah, just twist it. Yeah. And then hit it. Yeah, straight. Appreciate you. Thank you. Alright. Oh shit, I didn't even take out the 4 in the middle. Let me swap this battery, man. Use the big boy.
Boy got replacements.
Nah, I brought the thing for the lug nuts. When we do the thing for your car. Alright, there we go. Don't got time to be losing nothing. Alright. It'll be alright.
Yeah, I can tell that boy did that before.
Uh-huh. It'll be alright. Alright. DJ! What up, DJ? Oh shit.
Just show up. What happened to school today? Oh yeah?
You graduated. Yeah. Alright, let me put all the bolts, nuts and bolts to the side. Yeah, I'm leaving.
I knew that was gonna happen, man.
You not recording?
This one got.
Oh, damn. We got it unboxed. Here's how it looks. Let me know what you think. There's the old lid on the floor right there. We're gonna swap over.
Is this gonna come down?
Sure. But yeah, I got my nephew over here. He about to help me. He about to swap over all the little black tabs. I don't know what they're called, but I'm gonna swap them over in here so that the screws go hook up. And then we're gonna clean up the edges with the shop towel. And then yeah, that's gonna be it. Let's see. No, I know these. Let me try that one first. Let's see.
Before you tighten it all the way down, nigga. You got
No, I just threading it on.
I was about to say.
Wait a minute. With that little magnet. Put it down, DJ.
When you in the engine bay, it's a no play zone. One false move.
Yeah, shit go wrong.
How much for this motor? 15 or more?
Shit, I be seeing 20, all types of shit.
Oh
bro.
yeah, back up. Back up a little bit, yeah. No mistakes, please.
All right.
15 for a Hellcat, 20 bands for a LT4. Good lord.
Shit is crazy, bro. Okay.
Them dudes that be modding this got money.
What? Bro, I'm not fucking around with this, bro.
Damn.
I'm cool.
Bolt-ons and that's it.
All right. Cool. Man, I guess this is a new version of the lid or whatever. These joints going on like. Nah. I know one of the ones that stick up.
Yeah, the two go up here.
Two right there. One here.
And then one there.
All right.
We got more for
Yeah, it's 4. Should be 4.
one to go in the rear.
2 in the rear, like where you see those. Actually 3. Should be 3 in the back. think a regular one in the middle. And then oh no.
What you about to do, bro?
Nah, I caught that bitch.
Damn, nigga.
What the hell are the standoffs for? You got another one? Yeah. Bet. Yeah, one more. Should be on that side, no?
Let me see. It's a nice little tight mug. That Lord got my hands. I don't have it. Ah, damn.
You got it? That shit burned you? Damn. Alright, let's see if we can get everything back together. Actually, no, I gotta torque it. I'm tripping.
Yeah. My favorite mod now.
Mine too so far.
I like this one.
Alright. 89 inch-pounds it is. Wait a minute, that's too much.
Nice little baggie.
All right, let me pull up that the diagram I had.
You took a picture?
I got the diagram. Where I got it. All right.
It said start from here.
So one. So it's facing this way. So one would be this one. Yeah, you do it. You get that.
Shit.
Shit, I don't want to do that. I only got one hand. All right, that's good. That's good.
Where's next?
Two. Let me see. What the fuck is this? Two. This one. Oh shit. Son of a bitch.
One clip?
Yeah. And three. Right here. Okay, so it seemed like that's how they do it. And that one right there.
Uncle, Daddy said to wash your car.
You gonna wash my car? Alright, we gonna wash.
Is this one?
Are you finished with this?
We got one more thing to do.
6, 7, 8.
And then we're done.
All right, so it's those four. Then it's back across. So you cross back. So you cross from this way. So you hit that one up there, and then you cross back over here. No. The one you started with, and then you hit this one, this one, this one. I guess it's like it works this way, inside out or something. And this one. And then let me see.
So I'm finishing here.
Yeah. I'm trying to see what 9 is. Then 9 is here.
And then
Yeah, then 10 in the corner over there. And 10 right there. And 11 is the back one. 12 is that one. That one in the corner. All right, 13. That one in the back right there.
this one.
Mm-hmm. And then 14, it goes across. That one. No, 4. All right, in the meantime, let me start putting these back in. Then after that, you just come across in the front. All right. It's all done, baby. Appreciate my boy, Reek. All right, I don't know what the hell the standoff's for. but everything goes like OEM. All right, appreciate you. And that left, yeah. And this one right here.
Shit, I missed that one.
No, you straight. All right, let me move all of this out the way. Moment of truth. All right. Ready over there? All right. Yeah? Alright. DJ! Come here, DJ!
Huh?
Come here. Go in. Go in the car. Yeah. Rev it for me. Yeah, rev it for me. Go ahead, DJ. Press the gas. The left, the right one. Right, the one on the right. That one. You see that one right there? The one on the right in the corner.
This?
Yeah. One. Alright, chill, DJ. You good, that's it, DJ, chill. Chill, DJ. That's it. Alright, it do make a difference though.
Yeah.
That one good rev he gave it, that shit screamed. God. Yeah, man. Yeah, money well spent. All right, so if we done with that, we gonna get some flybys and all of that, and then catch back up with y'all. So.
Hell yeah.